What's up, guys? Welcome to another shaky video. It's Mike from So Speed. We over here at the Shop TT with my M340 in the back, you know, Mikey Tune. And yeah, he's ready to upload some sauce to it. Let's come to the car on a dyno with 485 wheel horsepower and 643 pound-feet of torque. So I'm not exactly sure, and that wasn't on a full E50 mixture. I want to say that was maybe an E40. Now we're gonna see what we can get this car up to. Seem kind of hyped because I'm off this coffee. First, I want to show you guys just one of Mikey's dailies. That's a Trackhawk quad pipes. This thing moves. Stock truck, this thing moves. He said he had an intake on it, but the supercharger whine was pretty loud. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah.
We had an intake on it. The intake picked up 50 horse. We took it off because she daily drives it.
Okay, gotcha.
Even though she likes that supercharger sound,
yeah,
you could just be 1% throttle and it's just like, wah!
While you setting everything up, I'm gonna take you guys for a walk, kind of go over some of the cars they have here at the Shop CT. Right here, you got beautiful TTRS. I've seen a lady pull up in this one. That's pretty freaking cool. Now we got Golf R. This is a 7.5, I think. I can just tell by like the bumpers and stuff. And like the lights look a little different, updated. But I like these cars. These cars right here are sleeper cars. They handle really well. Audi does a good job, or Volkswagen, or whatever you want to call it. They do a good job with making their cars kind of like streamline and blend in. Like you wouldn't know this is an R unless you know. It just looks like a regular GTI. It actually looks like a regular freaking like Golf or whatever. But you know, if you know, you know. It's one of those kind of cars. I like it. Like the way it looks, nice pearl white, not too much, you know, over the top. And these things move, man. Has the same type of all-wheel drive system as this car, believe it or not. Back over here to BMW, we have a nice 1 Series. Don't know, maybe 135. Looks like a 135. Next to it, we have, I want to say 340 with an M2 front bumper. This thing looks nice, aggressive. These are one of the bumpers that, in my opinion, go well nice with this car. They have those F80 bumper conversions for the F30s. In my opinion, it don't look that great. You got wing on top of lip, or lip on top of wing. Looking pretty decent though. My man got carbon galore in this thing. Shout out to AA Concepts, huh? Carbon galore. See, I like the M badge. I'm not gonna knock you for that because one should go right there. Let's go with this guy, the 340 guy. Boom. Now this one right here, I know has upgraded turbos on it. Sleeper. Whew, this thing's nice too. Nice. Sheesh. This could replace the M340. Fox body is this? 5.0. Whew. They got a sticky on the back. Oh, this guy crazy. He's like gonna have a drift setup. These are your cars, or? Oh, fucking wish. Yeah, man. These are nice 2S2000s. These are like real track cars though. They got the battery charging notch. Exhaust relocation. Sheesh.
With 2 nitrous cans in the back.
You said 2 nitrous cans.
Hell yeah. I'll purge your shit right out.
Well, you gonna hit the windshield washer fluid button?
Nah, bro, it's right there.
All right, man.
That's holding it right there.
At 6,000 RPM.
It starts to drop at like 65.
Yeah, but by the time then,
It's still at 4 or 450.
by the time then, I'm about to shift it to the next gear, man.
What's your channel?
Oh, slow speed.
Slow speed?
Yeah.
Man, I'm gonna follow you, bro.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Keep
Thanks.
doing your thing.
Yeah, man. Hey, listen, I tried. I tried. What'd you get done to this?
Oh, just a mid-pipe. I just got it like 6 months back.
Yeah? How you like the car?
I love it. I love it. Yeah.
It's DCT, man. It sounds like more aggressive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a little better.
Yeah.
I'll come back for the downpipe though. I will go on, bro.
All right, buddy. You take care. World.
Yeah, real world for this weather right now.
And that's we're looking at 515 and 673. God damn. And you said my pistons are gonna stay where they need to, or how does this work? Okay.
No problem.
I'm filming two different things right now. I don't even know who I'm talking to. I'm just gonna say the M340 is a great car. Just because I announced that I may be selling in the future, or I'm gonna sell it in the future, or this, that, and the third, does not mean I don't like the car. It does not mean I'm getting tired of the car. I just wanna switch cars. I like switching cars. I like the ability to be able to move in and out of cars. M340 is a proven platform. It's been known to perform. They don't have a lot of money to buy a lot of cars, so I like to swap in and out of them from time to time. I wanna swap this for something fun, but a different type of fun. If I can keep this and get what I want to get, I'll do that too. But as it sits right now, I mean, hey, I'm gonna eventually sell it. I'm gonna sell it with everything. I got a couple mods too. Stop asking me, do I hate the car? Okay, because I don't. So another car, and then another car after that.
Unless we crash it.
Oh yeah. Fuck, okay, this is fast. What the fuck? This is fast. Wow, this is fast. Damn, all right, cool. This is red light. Oh shit, yo, we on a donut too? You felt the pull when you hit the brakes?
Yeah, we went the other lane. That's cool. Oh geez, it just turned the emergency
And the hazard lights on, yeah. People ask me, should I get a M340 or should I get a Supra? Here's kind of why there's really no answer to it. It just all depends on your situation. So first and foremost, this right here is Mikey, my tuner's Mark V Supra. This is the 2021 with the updated motor. So this motor is the same exact motor as in that's in my car, with the lower compression pistons and the whole nine. 2020 models dubbed the B58C, had 2-port exhaust manifold, easier turbo install, stuff like that, and they made pretty good power. But what Toyota's done is Toyota just followed suit with the 2021 and went with the motor that's in my car, low compression pistons, 6-port, an easier tunable design. I want to say they went from 11.1 to 10.5.1 or 9.5 to 1. I gotta double check. I'll put all what they did as far as the S58 and stuff like that, because the S58 is even a lower compression motor, which can take even more boost, and you can tinker with time and a lot more. Some of the main differences with this car and my M340 is the fact that this is a 2-door. This is a 2-seater actually. You guys should definitely go ahead and check out Thick Whip's channel. It's my guy from Charlotte, North Carolina. He has one of these things, and to be 100% honest with you, I never really liked the way Supras look until I started to look at his build and what he's got going on. Definitely guys, go give him a look, because I'm telling you, the way that dude is set up, he's just bound for like super success and greatness. So definitely go ahead and check him out. Yeah, he has a super dope Supra. He has a super dope Supra, and he has one of these things, which is really cool. It like removes this piece and you can fit something. I don't know, go check it out. I'll put it somewhere. The front for me does not do it. I don't know what it is. It looks very weird. This piece right here looks like a dolphin like face or something. Really weird. The lights, I don't know, it's like an alien kind of in the front. Some angles. Okay, I like this side. I like this a little bit. Okay, I actually like it a lot. But yeah, it's the front for me, man. It really is the front. I've grown used to the car though, to be honest. I've used to hate this little indentation, but I've grown used to it. Overall, the car looks good. I don't think it looks better than the M340 though. BMW and Toyota took a pretty damn good platform and built it into two totally different type of cars. I would even say if you have the money and you can't choose between the two, buy both, because they're completely different cars, same platform, and I think you'll have a totally different experience jumping out of the M340 and driving the Supra. One of the biggest gripes I have with the Supra is the suspension setup. Now, I just really don't have a lot of traction right out of the box. Some modifications are needed, and when you add more power, things just get a lot more dicey. I rode in Thick Whip's car and that thing was like an ice skating rink. Pretty fun though, I will tell you, pretty fun, but sketchy if you don't know what you're doing. I know I talked crap about the gear shifter on my M340 and even like the paddles, but I think that the ones in the Supra are even a tad bit worse. The gear shifter is really clunky. It looks like a bootleg version of the F30 shifters. Steering wheel, yeah, we ain't even gonna talk about the steering wheel. It looks like the front of the car, like really weird. Sitting in both cars back to back, you will have a more comfortable feel in the M340. You can recline, you know, sit back a little bit, whereas the Supra, you really can't. The Supra is pretty much like you get in it knowing what you're gonna do. Can you daily it? Yes, but will you want to after a while? I'm really not that sure, since I don't own one and I can't really give you an answer on that. This Toyota Supra and all of them will definitely turn more heads than the M340, in my opinion. Kind of blend in and dance with the supercar looks, whereas the M340, I mean, it just looks like a traditional car, regular BMW. People see it, they know it's the new one, but they just don't really know what's special about it. And B58 packs such a big punch. Whereas the Supra, same motor, same trans, but people will just think, just by looking at the two, the Supra is, I mean, technically a faster car. Now the Supra is lighter, the BMW is bigger and heavier, longer wheelbase. I will say the M340 handles way better. I'm also leaning towards some kind of tuning with the trans and the rear diff. The M340 just seems like a well-balanced platform, whereas the, ooh, God, that thing rips. This is more F80 slide out on you sketchy, where my car is just really controllable. You'll be surprised how easy it is to slide my car. I have noticed that they use less sound deadening in those cars, so you get more of a purist experience. In my car, they have what's called active sound design. Not sure if it's in a Supra, but when you turn that off, you have a lot more sound deadening, and it's kind of a muted experience unless you roll the window down. Even something with like the burble tuning. I'm not a fan of burble tuning at all. I can't stand it. I don't like the way it blobs after. Especially in the interior, it makes it sound really ricey. However, when people drive my car around and I'm on the outside, it sounds pretty good. It sounds way better than it does from the inside. Now in the end, both cars are very similar yet very different, and BMW and Toyota did a great job by giving us a choice. Now the Supra will be a better choice for those of you who want to take the car on the track, you know, drag, pack, everything loaded up, get the best weight savings, and create some of the best B58 records. I just don't think the M340 mod for mod would have you, or even if the M340 is a little bit more powerful, I don't think it just has that setup like the Supra to go ahead and just deliver those numbers. It's not built for everyone, and those who need a daily, just a little more space. Do not sacrifice the insane power levels and tuning capabilities by getting a BMW M340, and hey, you get more bragging rights for, I guess, buying a BMW instead of a Toyota.
Yeah, car did great. Had on a dyno. Total final numbers was 515 wheel, 673. I get the numbers plus or minus some wheel torque. So yeah, car has the sauce. Now on this tune, Mikey told me I gotta have the mixture pretty dialed in. No E55, no E45. Just guys, before I go, me and Mikey was talking. I said it on my Instagram live. If you haven't checked out my Instagram, it's _slowspeed. But he's noticed that bigger turbo M340s have less of a transmission issue. Torque comes in a little bit later, and transmission can kind of handle it. Stock turbo builds up boost really quick. You get that nice instant punch, and it just throws the transmission out of whack. Another thing too is to always check the E content. I have the Berger Motorsports ethanol sensor on there, but always make sure you're getting some good E in there. Water might throw the calculations off a tad bit, maybe old E, who knows, you know. It's always good to get a fresh set of pump ethanol in, and you can let the ethanol in the can hang around for a tad bit longer. Other than that, had a pretty good successful day. Missed haircut appointment, missed putting down on a tire, had a return of plates on the motorcycle that I sold. Yeah, got a couple things I got to do. So tomorrow, I think I'm just going to take the time out of my day and go ahead and accomplish those things. I also have to run a couple of cars tomorrow too, so that should be interesting as well. I'll bring the cameras out for that. But other than that, you probably just going to get a straightforward video. No, nothing crazy. Mike from Slow Speed. We'll get this video to you guys. Peace out.